Kaweher was established in 2008 and is located in Hubei, China. Has been specializing in coffee roasters for 10 years, with the increasing demand for self-roasting and for quality coffee. Kaweher has innovated from industrial to home-grade roasting through self-research. Launched M1, M2 and other Kaweher series, making roasting safer, easier and more environmentally friendly. Users include coffee lovers, coffee shops and coffee training schools. Currently, Kaweher has the largest market share of small coffee roasters in China. In order to better service overseas customers, we established Kaweher Group in 2021, providing OEM and ODM services. Has established in-depth cooperation with European enterprises. In order to better service customers online, we opened Coffee Fancy online store, AliExpress store, and Alibaba store. Welcome to join us to explore the market of small coffee roasters.